Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on tensor analysis, lecture number 24, in which I will discuss on Ricci tensor. Now we will discuss about Ricci tensor. Let R P I J K be the curvature tensor. Therefore, R P I J K equal to determinant of del by del x j, del by del x k, Christoffel symbol of second kind, P I j, Christoffel symbol of second kind, P I k plus Christoffel symbol of second kind, P Q J, Christoffel symbol of second kind, P Q K, Christoffel symbol of second kind, Q I J, Christoffel symbol of second kind, Q I K, determinant equal to minus del by del x k, Christoffel symbol second kind, P I j plus del by del x j, Christoffel symbol of second kind, P I k plus Christoffel symbol of second kind, P Q J, Christoffel symbol of second kind, Q I K minus Christoffel symbol of second kind, P Q K, Christoffel symbol of second kind, Q I J. Now let us take contraction of indices P and I. In place of I, we write P in both sides. We get R P P J K here equal to minus del by del x k, P in place of I we write P J. Here we have I, so in this place we write P. Here we have I, so here we write P. Here we have I, so here we write P. Interchanging dummy suffix P and Q in third term of right hand side. This is the third term. In place of P we write Q, and in place of Q we write P. Here we write P, here we write Q, and we get this. Here we have Christoffel symbol of second kind, PPJ. This means del by del xj log square root g. Also here we have Christoffel symbol second kind, PPK. So this will be del by del xk log square root g. And we get these terms. So we get R P P J K equal to minus del 2 del x j del x k log square root g plus del 2 by del x j del x k log square root g plus Christable symbol second kind q p j, Christable symbol of second kind p q k minus, we write first this and then we write this. Christable symbol of second kind q p j, Christable symbol second kind p q k equal to, here this term and this term are equal in magnitude, but here we have negative sign, so this and this term will cancel, and also this and this term be same. Here we have negative terms, so this and this term will cancel, so this equal to 0. This is number 2. Since curvature tensor RPIJK equal to this is number 1. Now taking contraction of indices P and K, we write in place of K P, we replace K by P. Here we write P, here we write P, here we write P, here we write P. We get R P I J in this place P. In place of K we write P. Here also we write P. Here we also write P. Here we also write P. Here we also write P, and we get the right side. Now, since it is the contraction, in contraction we know that the rank of the tensor is reduced by 2. So we may write this tensor as Rij. Here it was rank 4. After reducing rank 2, we get a tensor of rank 2. Rij is a tensor of rank 2. Right side is this term same. This del by del xj, value of this Christable symbol is del by del xi log root g. We write this term and this term same. Interchanging suffix I and j in both sides, we get here rji, here also ji, here I, here j, here I, here j, here j, here I, and we get equation 4. Using the symmetric property of the Christable symbol of second kind, and interchanging dummy suffix p and q in third term of right hand side. We get, in this place we write q, in this place we write p, in this place we write p, in this place we write q, and we get this result. We may write this again, this term same. We here in place of here del by del xi, del by del xj, since this partial derivative is commutative, so we may write del by del xj outside and del by del x inside. Here we write, here in place of p we have written q, and in place of q we have written p. This equal to this same, this term same, this term same. Here we have Christoffel symbol second kind QPI. So in place of interchanging PI, we get IP, since Christoffel symbol of second kind is symmetric. Similar, here we may write Christoffel symbol second kind PQJ, and this term remains same. From 3 and 5, we see that right side equal, therefore left side will be equal. Left side is Rij, and here also left side Rji. This means Rij is a symmetric tensor of rank 2. This Rij is called Ricci tensor. Now taking contraction of curvature tensor Rpijk with respect to indices P and J. Here in place of J we write P. In right side also in place of J we write P. So we get here Rpipk. Here in place of J, here we write P. Here in place of J we write P. Here in place of J we write P. Here in place of J we write P, and this equal to minus del by del xk. Value of this Christoffel symbol of second kind is del by del xi log square root g, and other terms remain same. This is number 6. Replacing k, suffix k, by j in both sides. Here we write j, here also we write j, here we also write j, here also we write j, here also we write j, and we get this. Now taking common minus, here this is the negative term, so this will be positive under bracket, this will be negative, this will be positive, and this will be negative. The term under bracket is equal to Ricci tensor Rij by considering the symmetric property of Christoffel symbol of second kind. So we see that by taking contraction of indices P and J, the resulting tensor is a tensor which is negative of the Ricci tensor. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.